Imagine holding a piece of history in your hands, a timeless symbol of freedom reimagined for the modern era. That's exactly what the United States Mint is offering with the release of the 2025 $100 American Liberty High Relief Gold Coin and the 2025 P American Liberty Silver Medal. These stunning pieces, which go on sale at noon Eastern Time, are not just coins or medals. They're artistic expressions of liberty designed to spark reflection and admiration. But here's where it gets even more intriguing. Only 12,000 gold coins and 60,000 silver medals will be minted, making them exclusive collectibles that could become highly sought-after treasures. Let's dive into what makes these releases so special. The gold coin is crafted in high-relief proof from 1 ounce of 0.9999 fine gold, a hallmark of excellence produced at the West Point Mint. Meanwhile, the silver medal, also featuring a proof finish, contains 1 ounce of 0.999 fine silver and is manufactured at the Philadelphia Mint. Both share identical designs, but their unique metallic compositions give each its own distinct allure. On the obverse, the front side, you'll find a captivating sunflower paired with a bee, an emblematic representation of the care and responsibility needed to nurture and protect liberty. Flip it over to the reverse, the backside, and you'll see a breathtaking depiction of an eagle in motion, its wings swirling dynamically as if caught mid-flight. These intricate details aren't just decorative. They tell a story about the enduring spirit of freedom. Since 2015, the U.S. Mint's American Liberty series has been redefining how we think about liberty through bold and contemporary interpretations. The 2025 issues continue this tradition with designs by Christopher Polentz, a talented artist from the Mint's Artistic Infusion program. His initials subtly appear near the lower left corner of the sunflower design, adding a personal touch to the artwork. On the gold coin, inscriptions include Liberty, In God We Trust, and 2025, while the silver medal keeps things simpler with just Liberty and 2025. It's fascinating how such small text can carry such profound meaning. Polentz didn't stop there. He also created the reverse design, which is equally rich in symbolism. For the gold coin, additional inscriptions read United States of America, E pluribus unum, $100, 10s. 9999 fine gold, and the W mint mark signifying its origin at the West Point Mint. The silver medal, on the other hand, displays United States of America alongside the P mint mark, denoting production at the Philadelphia Mint. Each element serves a purpose, whether it's celebrating national pride or showcasing technical precision. Behind every great design is a team of skilled artisans who bring concepts to life. In this case, John P. McGraw, a Medallic artist at the Mint, sculpted the obverse design while Eric David Custer handled the reverse. Their craftsmanship ensures that every detail, no matter how minute, stands out with clarity and elegance. Now let's take a step back and appreciate the legacy of the American Liberty Program. Over the years, collectors have eagerly anticipated each new release, knowing they're getting something truly exceptional. From the inaugural 2015 American Liberty High Relief Gold Coin to the latest 2023 edition, the series has consistently pushed creative boundaries. Silver medals have accompanied many of these releases, including standout pieces like the 2016 American Liberty Silver Medal and the 2023 American Liberty Silver Medal. These companion medals often mirror the themes of their gold counterparts, creating a cohesive narrative across the entire collection. So, how much does it cost to own a piece of this legacy? The 2025 $100 American Liberty Gold coin is priced at $4,265, though buyers should note that prices may fluctuate weekly based on the Mint's pricing matrix. The 2025 P American Liberty Silver Medal, meanwhile, is significantly more affordable at $97. To ensure fairness, household order limits have been set. 1 per household for the gold coin, and 2 for the silver medal. If you're interested in purchasing either item, head over to the U.S. Mint's official American Liberty product page. And this is the part most people miss. Beyond their aesthetic appeal and collectible value, these coins and medals invite us to ponder deeper questions. What does liberty mean to you? How do symbols like the sunflower and bee resonate with your understanding of freedom? Do you agree with the way liberty is portrayed in these designs, or would you interpret it differently? We'd love to hear your thoughts. After all, isn't that what liberty is all about? Freedom of expression and open dialogue?